This video covers the Project Milestone functionality in Project Lifecycle Pro. We are logged into our Big Dog Roofing demo environment. We're logged in as Paul Mastiff, Project Manager. Paul's going to go to the landing page. Paul is going to open up the Dollars Cloud Upgrade project, which he manages. In this project, Dollars is the financial system that Big Dog Roofing currently uses, desktop system. This year, they are converting over to the cloud version. So that is the project that Paul is managing. So we have the project open. We go to the related items, and we have a section called Project Milestones, where Paul has already filled out several of the project key milestone dates. The intent of the project milestones is not to be a work plan. It's to be the typical section of key project milestones that are spelled out in a project charter. It's a reference location for the sponsors, steering committee members, the team members, any other employees within Big Dog Roofing that need to know key dates for the project. They just open this up and see these key dates. Now, unfortunately, the project manager needs to maintain these dates manually from their detailed work plan, but hopefully their key milestone dates don't change very often. So if we open up one of these milestones, really straightforward, start date, we have milestone start date, forecasted date when the milestone is going to be completed, any comments, detailed descriptions, the status, which you can change these values if you like. Okay, which you can change these statuses and pick list values if you like. But TBD would be the date hasn't actually been set yet. It's open, it's complete. This order is used just for those milestones that don't have dates assigned yet. You can still show them in chronological order on the previous page. And the original date is the original approved date for the milestone when the project was approved by the steering committee. And that would typically be at the end of the analyze phase. So you can track variances from that original date. So the forecasted date is the most current estimated date, and then original date, what was created originally. So let's go back here. Let's create a new milestone. Let's say, open all these up so we can see all of them here. We're going to create a new one. Let's say there's going to be a release 3 towards the beginning of next year. Let's say because it's so far in the future, it actually hasn't been nailed down yet. Say pending Dollars consultants estimates, timelines. Status is, we're going to say this is TBD. The order is it would fall under release 2, so we're going to say it should be listed 7th on the page, and there is no original date. Save it. There we go. And then at some time in the future, we're going to go in here and just update it. Once we know the date, make it because of the holidays. Let's go all the way to January 26th. That's going to be our original date also. The status now changes to open. There you go. Related items, you can add any notes or attachments. Back. Here we see our milestones. You all. That's it. Pretty straightforward.